all of you. Now we shall discuss about the two numericals of the in class 9th chemistry. How to find the average mass of isotopes of chlorine Cl1735 and Cl1737. You know that average mass means arithmetic mean mass of the isotopes of chlorine 37 Cl 1735 and Cl 1737. We know that the isotope of chlorine Cl 1735 found in nature 75% and the Cl 1737 found in nature 25%. So we can solve the average mass. Average mass of isotopes of chlorine is equal to isotopes of the chlorine is equal to 75% of mass of the chlorine 35 AMU plus 25% mass of 37 AMU is equal to 75% means 75 by 100 into 35 AMU plus 25 by 100 into 37 AMU. So here we can cancel 25 3 is 75, 25 4 is 100 and 25 1 is 25 and 25 4 is 100 is equal to 25 into 35 by 4 AMU plus 37 by 4 AMU. Sorry, 3 ja. So here 3 ja means 25 3 ja 75 and 25 4 ja 100. So 3 by 4 into 35 AMU and 1 into 37 by 4 AMU is equal to 105 by 4 AMU plus 37 by 4 AMU is equal to LCM is 4 105 plus 37 AMU is equal to 142 by 4 AMU is equal to 35.54 ja 142. We get here 35.5 AMU. So average mass of the isotopes of chlorine, average mass of isotopes of chlorine is equal to 35.5 AMU. So we can find here, this is the how to find the average mass of isotopes of chlorine. Then we know that the average mass of the isotopes of chlorine is equal to 75% of 35 AMU means 35 gram of the chlorine which found in the nature 75% and 25% found of the isotopes of chlorine which mass is 37 AMU and we solve it, then we get the average mass of the isotopes of chlorine 35.5 AMU. So it is the solution of it. How to find the percentage of isotopes of chlorine of 35 AMU and 37 AMU. How to find the percentage of isotopes of chlorine of 35 AMU and 37 AMU. This is the second question. Now we shall clean it and solve it. Consider that X% of 35 AMU is found in nature. Then the percentage of 37 AMU will be 100 minus X% of it. We know that here the average mass. So average mass of isotopes of chlorine is equal to X% of 35 AMU plus the 100 minus X% of 37 AMU. We know that average mass of the isotopes of chlorine we have find in the first solutions is what? 35.5 AMU is equal to X% means what? X by 100 into 35 AMU plus the 100 minus X by 100 into 37 AMU. Now 35.5 AMU is equal to 35x plus 100 into 37 minus 37x by 100 AMU and AMU. Now here 35.5 AMU is equal to 35 x plus 3700 minus 37x by LCM 100. Now 35.5 into 100 is equal to 3700 minus 37, subtract from the 35x, then we get here 2x. Now we have transferred 2x from right side to left side, then 2x is equal to 3700. 100 into 35.5 is equal to what? 3550 is equal to 150. So therefore x is equal to 150 by 2% is equal to 75%, and then therefore 100 minus x percent is equal to 100 minus 75% is equal to 25%. So we get here the x represent the mass of the AMU 35, and the 100 minus x represent the 25% of the isotopes of the 37 AMU find in the nature. So the percentage of the isotope of chlorine Cl 1735, 75% in nature, and the isotopes of chlorine of the Cl 1737 find in nature is 25%. So here we have solved the two questions in chemistry. Thank you.